leave this stem right here, James. This one. To rig this chunk of wood off and see if it can, you know, I'm gonna try to hope it holds it. Cayenne up there, boy. All right, YouTube, so we're down to one last top up here. That's it right there. We got this one off. We got the one over the house right there on the deck. Got that one there. Got the lines all cleared all the way around. There's the hollow one I was yelling in there. So thank you guys for watching the videos. If you guys like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Maybe give the video a like, leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. Way I get money. Tree work and pimping these hoes. Oh man. I'll probably take that right there, eh, Jamie? Jamie, baby. Probably take that right there. Don't forget about moving you. Car's gonna have a little bit of a hang up here. Cool. Fantastic jobs, Jamie. YouTube, I got a purpose for this stem. That's why I haven't cut it off yet. We're gonna try to rig some of this big trunk stem over the deck off that rotten knob there. So that's the attempt. See that in a little bit, guys. Lander. Yummy. Come get some. Alright, YouTube, so this is what we got here. I got it kind of doubled up to grab a hold, okay? And here's our rigging point. This is a little unsatisfying for what we're doing here. I mean, I understand this is backwards. We should be rigging this off of this, but folks, I got this porch right here, and we got to think about rope stretch. We got to think about elongation, all the things with the ropes here. So we do not want to kind of butt hinge this off of this. We're good, because I think by the time we get rope stretch and everything, we're going to contact the porch. Is that something, you know, you ain't familiar, you need to think about rope elongation when you're buying your ropes. You can kind of consider those options when you're purchasing a rope. So this here is stable braid 5/8. It's got 16,000 pound tensile. And yeah, let's go. All right, YouTube, so This is why I always carry a handy dandy notch on me, wedge, for stuff like this. Kind of never know. Definitely don't want to get hit. That's how it's did, YouTube. That's how it's did, YouTube. How it's did. That's how it's did. How it's done. Oh. Alrighty. Nice job, James. Well, there it is, YouTube. Got that big stem down over the porch. That's a relief. We're gonna cut this right here, let it fall right there. We'll probably come back. We're gonna notch that and drop it over there in the yard. Thanks for watching, guys.